Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Saint-Laurent, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distance requires a lot of planning and consideration. It isn't as simple as packing up your belongings and driving down the street. You'll want an experienced moving company managing the logistics involved in such a process. This means getting an inspection of your household to determine the best way to proceed based on how many items you are moving. The quantity of the items will affect the total weight of the cargo, which is critical elements when it comes to the price of the move. 3 Movers will send you one of our highly qualified evaluators to help you organize your move and weigh your items on the truck to give you a per-pound price quote. Distance isn't a big factor of local moves, so the price is normally lower than that of a long-distance one. However, you still have to account for the labor costs of the loading and unloading. Most companies rate the labor hourly. Our professional crew of movers can take care of the moving process in an efficient way that not only saves you time, but also money. We also offer tips on routes to take and ways to downsize your cargo. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saint-Laurent moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.